To make up or not to make up? I get asked this question all the time. I talk about all things business cinema, which is video with a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy. So if you want to learn more about business cinema, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and click the bell so you get notifications. It is a completely personal choice whether you decide you want to wear makeup in your videos or you don't want to wear makeup. I know some people just aren't comfortable with makeup and they say, well, do I have to put makeup on for my videos? No, you don't. If you aren't someone who typically wears makeup or you're not comfortable with makeup, don't feel the need to glob it on. I do, however, recommend adding a little powder, and this goes for both men and women, to reduce the shine. It can sometimes appear when you're using hot lights or you're a little nervous, so maybe you got a little sweaty, and you don't want to look shiny on camera. So if that's the minimum, that's the basic minimum. If you do wear makeup and it makes you feel good and it's part of your brand and you are comfortable with it, by all means, show up with makeup on. I personally show up with both makeup and no makeup, all natural on all of my social media platforms. I like to be spontaneous in my content creation sometimes, and as someone who doesn't typically wear makeup on a daily basis, I show up all natural, and it's totally okay. At the end of the day, it's your decision whether you want to wear makeup or you don't want to wear makeup, and it's your business, so you get to decide. And guess what? You can also change your mind. Boom. So I'm curious, do you wear makeup? Do you not wear makeup? How do you feel about this subject? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up.